Hi everyone, in this video we'll cover VRIO analysis and how it helps assess a company's resources to identify competitive advantage. Let's begin. VRIO stands for Value, Rarity, Imitability, and Organization. It's a framework used to analyze a company's internal resources and capabilities to determine their potential for sustainable competitive advantage. First, let's discuss value. A resource is valuable if it helps a company exploit opportunities or neutralize threats. It must contribute to efficiency or effectiveness. Example: a tech company's patent for a groundbreaking software algorithm is valuable because it enhances product performance, attracting more customers and generating revenue. Next is rarity. A resource is rare if it is not widely possessed by competitors. Scarcity can make a resource a source of competitive advantage. Example: a luxury brand's exclusive access to rare materials, like a specific type of high-quality leather, is rare and helps differentiate its products. The third component is imitability. A resource is difficult to imitate if competitors can't easily replicate it due to cost, complexity, or unique circumstances. Example: Coca-Cola's secret formula is difficult to imitate, giving the company a sustained competitive edge. Finally, organization. A company must be organized to exploit its resources effectively. This involves having the right processes, structures, and cultures in place. Example: Amazon's sophisticated logistics network allows it to leverage its vast resources efficiently, providing quick and reliable delivery services. Remember, each component of VRIO is interconnected. A resource must be valuable and rare, hard to imitate, and the company must be organized to exploit it for long-term competitive advantage. To illustrate, let's consider Apple. Its brand reputation, innovative culture, proprietary technologies like the A-series chips, and robust organizational structure collectively provide a strong competitive advantage. That's VRIO analysis. Analyzing your resources and capabilities through this framework helps identify and sustain competitive advantages. Use VRIO to assess your strengths and strategically position your company. Thanks for watching. I hope this video clarified VRIO analysis for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay strategic and resourceful.